This is the ice cream stripe we're gonna do. Make 15 chain. One chain and do single crochet the whole line. Come to the end of the thread, end of the chain. The last one is the knot, you don't do that. Now you do a slip chain to a next one. And then you do single crochet. Okay, this part, the last chain you have to do 2 single crochet. There, 2. Now we're changing the color. Make a knot first. Oh, and I have to let go one, yeah. Okay. So the color won't be there. See that? The top one, that's the top part. See? There you still have to do 2 single crochet, and the rest will be 1. Here you have to let go 1 chain there. There's 2. Let me do, no, 1. That's 1. Okay. Slip chain to the next one. See, and do 1, and that's the way it goes less. And then make sure you count your chain, it should be 15. I think mine got extra there, 16. Here, the last one you increase 2 single crochet, then you're going to change the color. See that? Pull your thread properly, make it tighter a bit, and 2 single crochet on the same chain, then the next. Coming to the end, don't do the last. You will feel like it's doing 2. I think you have to leave 2 there. Okay. Now there. That's look. It feels like a stairs. Like going upstairs. Yes. Then do a slip chain. And go next. See that? Anyone wants this pattern, it will be in Noni's Craft in Facebook, and the pattern will be there. You can get it from there. See, I think made at 14 if I just count the color like that. 14 times 2 is 28 lines. Yeah. Now I'm going to sew it up like that. First, I'm sewing all this, the top part first. I'm going to make them shrink. And you pull it together and make a knot there, I think. pull it together nicely. Yeah, tight it. And also at the side now, the join them there up. Tie them knot and make a knot there. And leave your tail string, just in case, just leave it like that, don't cut it off. Now when you turn, it goes okay, it looks okay. Looks like a cone already, ice cream there. There are some thin knots are out, you can see it, so you just put it in to hide it. Yeah. There, it looks good now. You can do with different colors how you like. This one I sew into it. I think I don't want to sew into it. If I want to stick my pins, I can't even see it. This is fine, but my pink is so gaudy. I have to change the colors. Hope you enjoyed it.